Hi, it's Nitu, and I wanted to tell you about my acne skincare and basically what I do to take care of my acne, and maybe share some helpful tips that'll help you in taking care of your problem areas on your face, like acne or blackheads or whiteheads and yada yada yada. So what I want to say first is that if you have acne, but even if you don't have acne, maybe you just have dry skin, but maybe also you have oily skin. But anyway, exfoliation is really important. So you should definitely exfoliate. It also helps with hyperpigmentation. Like, I don't know, but let me show you. I have here still, it's still there. It's been there for a few weeks, and that was a pimple, and now it's just like that. But okay, exfoliation is really important because basically dry skin and skin cells build up, and my skin anyway, I don't think is very good at naturally renewing itself and getting rid of all that dry skin that has built up, and that dead skin clogs your pores, and that helps cause acne. And I think in my case that's one of the big things that helps, that's creating like blackheads, whiteheads, and pimples. And the other thing is hormones. But even if it's a hormonal thing, exfoliation will still help, especially for the after treatment of when the acne is fading. It also helps get rid of those skin cells that have kind of gone together. It helps, get rid of that and disperse the skin cells. So it definitely helps improve acne if you can exfoliate and get rid of the trash that's on your face, basically. Okay, the other thing that it helps with is it helps if you have dry skin, because your skin cannot absorb creams, and it cannot do anything if you have all this dead skin on your face that's blocking your skin from breathing, and it also blocks any hydrating products that you put on your skin. So it's actually better if you have dry skin to exfoliate as well. And of course, it helps the texture of your skin. And you have dry skin, you have all those cells on your skin that, dry spots that show. If you exfoliate that, your skin will feel smoother and better, and then you can properly moisturize your skin after. So it's really important to exfoliate if you have dry skin. It's also important to exfoliate if you have aging skin, because actually you trick your skin into thinking that it's younger, that it helps rejuvenate your skin if you exfoliate, and then your skin decides, oh yes, I should be producing more cells, and so you will actually help make your skin look younger if you exfoliate. And it also helps to reduce the size of your pores, because if you have big pores, that means that there's like dirt and stuff clogged in there. But if you exfoliate, you're helping get rid of that. And of course, if you don't have dry skin blocking your pores, it helps your skin to naturally be able to, get rid of all that dirt and stuff and not keep it trapped inside, so that, and then your pores will be able to close again because it's not blocked from closing. You know what I mean? Anyways, exfoliation is so important, but I'm not a dermatologist, so don't take my word for it, but try exfoliating more. Okay, so let me show you some of the exfoliation things that I have that I've been using. As a cleanser, because I have very sensitive skin, I've been using the Kiehl's one. This is a clay cleanser. It has bits of clay in it, and clay helps to absorb oil and it's supposed to help clear your pores. But anyways, it's a bit grainy, so you can scrub that, and then that's every day. Exfoliating your skin as well as cleansing your skin. I don't think it works that great as a cleanser though, but I kind of just, when I have my face wet, I kind of just massage that on my hands and then rub it on my face, and I keep it on my face for a minute and before washing, and scrub as well. So that's kind of like something I can do daily and doesn't hurt my sensitive skin. And so I use quite gentle products actually. So if your skin is not so sensitive, you can try more harsher products. The pineapple one, Also this one, this is an actual exfoliator which uses enzymes. So the pineapple papaya facial scrub, basically it uses enzymes to help exfoliate your skin. It is also very gentle, and so this I can use like 3 times a week and it's no problem. I put that on damp skin and massage, and I leave that on for a few minutes before washing away, and it's okay. If you're looking for a stronger exfoliation, I really love this. This is by Glam Glow, and it is the famous Youth Mud. It is fantastic. I have been using this once every 2 weeks. Because I have sensitive skin, I mean, I think sometimes I can use it once a week, but sometimes it's like I really don't need to use it. I just need to use it maybe once every 2 weeks instead, because I mean, this works so good. So if you're looking for something stronger, I do highly recommend this one, but it costs 49 euros for one of these, so it's kind of expensive. Okay, another thing I wanted to tell you about in taking care of your skin and also avoiding acne is please avoid parabens. Now, a lot of people are debating whether parabens are actually bad for your skin, and you know, the health ministry of Canada and USA are always debating that, and they said that it's okay, that it's safe, but my dermatologist here in Italy told me that I should be avoiding parabens because I have something called cosmetic skin. Basically, people who use a lot of cosmetics and who have used a lot of parabens on their skin start developing little bumps on their skin. That's not actually acne, but those bumps are a sign of that you have cosmetic skin and your skin is kind of weak and is not properly rejuvenating itself, if that makes any sense, because basically parabens have weakened the skin and the cells of the skin. Okay, so that's why you should avoid parabens, but that's not all you should avoid. Fragrances and other kinds of products. I'm gonna put a link down below with some information about that. You know, I'll link other blogs and other people who have talked about that already, but there are many kinds of parabens. Basically, it is a preservative. There's butyl paraben, methyl paraben, I think ethyl paraben. There's so many. Since I stopped using parabens, and it's been a year now where I haven't used many parabens, or at least cut down on parabens, yeah, I definitely see a difference in my skin, and I don't have so many of those little bumps anymore that I used to have. Anyways, it's my opinion. I'm not a doctor, I'm not a dermatologist. I say avoid it. Other products that I've been using, kind of like masks that I like, I actually really like this one. This is the Innisfree Super Volcanic Clay Mask and Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask, sorry. And basically it is another clay mask. You know, it looks like that inside. It's a thick clay that you put on your skin, and you put it on your dry skin, leave it on as long as you want. I mean, you can just like watch TV or whatever with it on, then you wash it off. And when I wash it off, I rub, you know, and so it helps exfoliate as well. So it exfoliates, but it's a clay mask, so it helps, you know, if you have oily skin, I really think this would be really good for you, actually. So yeah, try this one. It helps exfoliate, it helps clear your pores, and it helps you if you have oily skin, because after my skin is so soft. And yeah, this is really good in the summers for me, where my skin is more combination in the summer. So this is really good. And what I found that is honestly very, very similar to the Innisfree Pore Clay Mask is the Glam Glow Super Mud. Here we are. Yep. The full size is 50 grams, but this is the 15-gram version. And so I've been using this, and I've been comparing it to the Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. I think I actually like this one better. And this one This one full size is also 50, no, this is full size, this is 100 milliliters, and I paid about $15 for it. And this one full size is 50 grams, and I paid, and then it cost 49 euros. So I don't know, what is it, like $60. So this is quite expensive, but you know, honestly, they do the same thing. This one has more of like a mint smell, or eucalyptus maybe. Anyways, this one has a different smell than this one. This one burns when you put it on, but it didn't damage my skin. And this one is a bit gentler. Like it feels gentler, but I think it does the same job as this. Maybe this one exfoliates more. Now, some products that I like that have really kept down hormonal breakouts, like any kind of breakouts before they even start, but even if they did start and I put it on and this works so great. And this is an Italian thing. Anyone I meet who has acne, I tell them about this because it's just fantastic. I got this from my dermatologist, and it's by a company called Esther, and it's the Gram Acne Levigante Sebo Normalizante Antimicrobico Cutaneo. Anyways, it's a cream. I use it only at night, but you can use it day or night, and you can just use it as a facial cream if you have oily skin, but I have dry skin, so I put this over all my other products at night before sleeping, and I just put a thin layer of this all over, but not around my eyes. So it's been keeping my skin really good, so much better than if I didn't ever use this. I've used 4 bottles of this. This is my 5th one. And my dermatologist recommended this, so that's why I started using this. If you live in Italy, you can get this quite as easily from any online pharmacy, or just go to your pharmacy and ask your pharmacy for it. But you can easily order them online from like farman.it if you live in Italy, or just any online pharmacy. Anyways, if you live outside of Italy, look for it. You can probably order it online or get it somehow. Oops. This is the problem with this. Whenever I squeeze it out, like you have to be careful with this too, because every time I squeeze it out, a whole bunch comes out at once. So I actually keep this in the fridge because it helps stop it from doing that more. I don't know if I make any sense. It's like that. It's just a cream. It's moisturizing. It doesn't sting or anything. It has a bit of a medicine-y smell, but it's very faint. I don't think it will bother you, but I don't have a very good sense of smell actually. I also tried the cleanser. This is a cleansing milk from Gram Acne, from Esther, the same company. It's also supposed to be good for acne. I feel like you can skip this. It's nothing special. It didn't really do anything. Okay, and the last thing I want to tell you about is the Face Shop product, and it's the Volcanic Clay Oil Blackhead Gel Oil. And it uses volcanic clay again, but it's just like a clear gel, and inside are these kind of like clear balls. But yeah, and so you can feel them, but there's only a few of them, so it's like maybe like sand inside. And then so you put it on your dry nose or where you have a blackhead, massage it, or just wherever you have it's just like a gel, an oily looking kind of gel. It feels kind of like oil but stickier than oil. And then you massage it. I leave it on a bit and then I wash it off. So I just wanted to show you this because I wanted to compare it to the nose strips. I have the Innisfree blackhead nose strips, and I know that you're not really supposed to use these because it says it doesn't really, like, the blackheads are just going to come back, and maybe it helps cause more blackheads. I didn't find that it causes more blackheads, but the strips really remove the blackheads more. This one does not really remove blackheads, but it does help absorb some oil, and if you have a shiny nose, I think the oil gel will help get rid of some shine on your nose, make your nose more dry than before. but it's really kind of a temporary thing. I prefer the Jeju Volcanic Nose Pack. Instead, I prefer the Face Shop brand, the Volcanic Nose Packs. You know what these are, right? It comes like in a plastic thing like this. I don't know if you can see the picture, but it's those strips you put on your nose, and then you wait for it to dry, wait 15 minutes, and then go boom, and then the blackheads come out. I generally don't use them. I only use them for emergencies when I'm like, what's going on? Why do I have all these blackheads on my nose? And then I use it like one time, and then I immediately, you know, wash my nose and put like a cream, and I'll put this over it, and I find that that method helps more than other things with the nose blackheads. But you know, blackhead products, especially for the nose, and I've also been trying this by Innisfree. This is the box. This is the Innisfree Jeju Volcanic Liquid Nose Pack. So I'm gonna show you the pictures, but it's a liquid that's black that you spread on your nose or wherever you have blackheads, and you should spread it quite thick. So it comes a black kind of gel-like liquid like that. Then you spread it around, and then you have to wait for it to dry, and spread it thick because you're gonna have to peel it off. And the Face Shop makes a similar product to this, but you know, different brand. The Face Shop one, honestly, I love the Face Shop pore strips. And this one of the Face Shop works a lot better than the Innisfree one. I don't know why, because in general, I love Innisfree, but the Face Shop does the nose stuff a lot better. But I like a lot of the products from the Face Shop as well. But anyways, so I've tried the Innisfree, the nose pack that you peel off, and the liquid one. It doesn't take off like hardly anything. I think like I tried it on my whole face so many times, and maybe like one blackhead will come out from my nose, but it doesn't do anything on me. Maybe you need very, very large pores and blackheads to be able to see any result from that. You know, if you like to use nose strips, use them in emergencies, like I do, like, you know, once a month, once every 3 months, when you see that there's a lot and you just need to get it out, because just when you see them, you're just like, I need to get these out, because it's gross. Yeah. You know what I mean? It's gross. So yeah, so that's what I do. This has been working for me, and my skin is so much better than a few years ago even. So now it's pretty dry, and see, you just take it from the side. Oops, I didn't, oh, there you go. Because it's not completely dry. When it's like more dry, no, it wasn't completely dry. Sorry, I had to wait longer. Yeah. Wait like 20 minutes. If you wait like 20 minutes, for sure it'll be dry, and then you can peel it off. So anyways, it's not my favorite thing in the world. It's not my favorite product. The strips work so much better. At least they work, you know? So yeah, so that's all I have to say about my acne routine and what's been working for me and what I think might help you. And I hope that this information was helpful. I hope you learned something. If not, I'm really sorry. Please don't hate me. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. And every Thursday I make beauty related videos. So see you next time. Bye.